In this video, we are going to discuss how to do parshvakonasana. To do parshvakonasana, you stand in tadasana position and you take one leg forward. You make namaskar mudra behind your back. Okay, so this will be tough. If you don't have shoulder opening, you won't be able to do namaskar mudra behind your back. So make a namaskar mudra behind your back and take it as up as possible. You can see behind me, I made a namaskar mudra behind my back. Now the next thing you will do is
bend forward while holding the namaskar mudra. Try to touch your chin to your knee. Stay there for 30 to 40 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and come back.
do it from the other side. I'm going to show you for a short duration because this is for demonstration purpose. In the best case scenario, you hold it for a long amount of time.
Inhale and exhale and bend. Exhale and bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Inhale and come back. So you should avoid this position if you have high blood pressure or if you have shoulder or wrist injury, because it will really extend your shoulder when you do namaskar mudra behind your back. And the benefits of this asana is extends your hamstring, extends your shoulder, it extends your wrist, and it also strengthens your quads, hamstring, glutes, etc. So you can practice this for 30 to 40 seconds for best results. Thank you.